In this lecture, we are going to learn about more escape sequences. We have used few of the escape sequences previously, like /n, which takes cursor to the next line, and /t, which is for tab, so it acts like a tab on your keyboard. Then we have something as double slash, which is backslash character, so it will print a single backslash. Then we have /quote, it will print a single quote. Then we have /double quote, which will print double quote. Apart from this, then we'll check now other escape sequences. So /a, if it is used inside of a printf statement, then as soon as the printf statement is executed, it will play a beep sound if your motherboard has a device to play a sound. So this is very important escape sequences. So in case of you're trying to deny an access to user, or if you're printing some very critical message and you want to capture user's attention, in that case you can use /a. The next is /b, which is a backspace. So suppose you have printf statement and you have printed India, then the cursor position will be here. And if we have specified in printf statement something like this, printf India, then /b, so this /b will take cursor position to one space previous, so it will take it here. If you have two /b, then it will come to this place. And suppose if after this single /b you have maybe one over here, then this a will get overwritten. So instead of a, one will come over here and cursor will move on to next location. So we have seen backspace. Now next is form feed. Suppose you have printed few lines over here, and after that you are required to skip this space and start printing from the next page first location. In that case you can specify /f. You won't find any significant changes on your console output screen, but when you are going to use a printer as output device, in that case form feed is a very useful escape sequence. So if you have used Microsoft Word, so form feed is nothing but like a page break. Then the next is carriage return, that is /r. So suppose cursor is at this location, it has printed a few characters and it is on the final location somewhere here. So if at this location /r occurs, then this cursor position will go again back to the first location in the same line. And if there is anything further, then it will get overwritten by it. So for example, if you have something like this, print f inside of double quote a b c d, then you have suppose /r x y z, then on the output screen a b c d will be printed, cursor will be at this location, and because of this /r it will move back to the starting position, and then it will start printing x y z, and then cursor will be at this location. So your final output would be x y z and cursor will be below the d. Then we have question mark. So if you want to print a question mark, then you can use /question mark. All octal numbers can be printed using /n, and after that you can have your octal number. Then you can use / and after that few numbers which can be represented as a octal number. Similarly, you can have /x and then numbers which can represent an hexadecimal number. We have already used /0 couple of times in previous programs, where /0 is used to represent a null pointer.